Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. Today we are going to 3D design and 3D print a design for Mother's Day, because Mother's Day is coming up and we need to make something simple but cool. Hopefully something that you never seen before. And we are going to only use Tinkercad. Let's jump over to Tinkercad so we can design it. I haven't even printed it yet, so let's get to designing it. Okay, so now we in Tinkercad, and the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna drag us 2 hearts up on our work plane. So we just bring this one down here. So let's go to the top view. First, let's make both of them red. Let's change the color to red. Let's make this heart right here 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches. And we're gonna leave the thickness of this one 1/2 inch. Select this one, we're gonna make a copy of it. So we're gonna Command C, Command V. Let's put it up here to the side. We can leave this one the size that it is, which is 1.3 and 1.4. So let's go over to the side view and let's flip it over to being 90 degrees. And let's bring it up to being about 1/8 of an inch. That's how high we're gonna bring it while it's still selected. We're gonna make this 1/2 inch. Let's make it 2.5 inches. So it's gonna basically stretch it out. There we're gonna select it and then select the one that we got laying flat. We're gonna use our align tool. We are going to use this one as the primary and we're gonna put it in the center and drop it right in the center. So what we're looking for is, we just want it to be, you know, touching but not falling off of the heart. Next thing we're gonna do is let's grab this heart. Let's put it over here to the side. Let's select it and let's flip this one up 90 degrees and let's bring it up to right at 0. So we're gonna select both of them. And what we're gonna do is do a bundle group. So we're gonna select this one, select the heart that we just stood up at 90 degrees, select both of them. We're gonna use the align tool and we are going to use this one as the primary and we're gonna put it in the center. Then we're gonna come over here to the side and we're gonna bring it right up here to the front by using this one right here. Bring it to the front, and that's what you want. You wanna make sure that it's nice and even, looks good right at the edge, and our design is looking good. But let's do one more thing. Let's put us a little slit right there so we can put like a card in there. You can hold a picture or anything like that. And how I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna drag a box over here, one of these clear boxes, to cut it out. And we're just gonna click it and let's make it 0.125. And we're gonna go up to the front and we are going to, let's make it 2 inches. What we're gonna do is the one we had just bundle group. Let's click it and let's ungroup it. And we're gonna use the cutout and this smaller heart. We're gonna use the align tool. Make this one a primary by clicking it. Let's bring it over here to the center and we are going to bring it up and then we're going to bring it to the back of this heart. So I'm going to use this one, bring it to the back, and see how it's touching the bottom. I don't want it to go that far down. So what I'm going to do is we're going to select it and we're going to bring it up just enough to be above it. So we can go up some more. Something like that. But then the next thing I want to do is I don't want it to be on this heart at all. I want a gap in between this heart and this one. I don't want all this to be cut out. So we're just going to select it. I got it snapped to 1/16. We're just going to use the arrow key and we're going to bring it up. So what I'm looking for is this little cutout right in here. That's what I'm looking for. I want that little space in between it. So we're going to select this one and select our little cutout and we're going to group them together. You see that little cutout right there? That's where we can hold our pictures. We can hold a gift card, pictures, a card, and it'd be something really cool that you can say you 3D printed for your mom when you give her a card, a gift, just a nice little stand. And then after that, it can be a little picture frame thing. And then if you want to get real cool with it, use a text thing. You can put a name in here, anything like that. But for the sake of this video, I just want to make it simple, easy, and easy to print. And we only use one shape, but used it 3 different times. Let's export this as an STL file. Use the Bamboo Lab. I got the X1C, and let's 3D print this thing out. Oh yeah, now this right here, it came out way better than I thought. Ah yeah, it looks good. I found this old picture of me and my mom. Throwback. Look at the picture though. It's crazy. Put that mud in there And that's what you're gonna get. I definitely like how this came out. Let me know what you think in the comments. And I don't know what I'm gonna call this. I think I'm gonna call it the Heart-Cradle or something like that. I think I'm gonna call it the Heart-Cradle. And I wanna make this available for you. Try to put it on my website, or if you don't wanna buy it, you can just watch the tutorial and make it yourself. But I wanna start making stuff that I make available for you guys to download. And yeah, let me know what you think about this design. Let me know if you like it, if you didn't like it, what you would change about it, all that good stuff. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Let's go make something else. The heart.